Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to find and replace word in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the three dot icon and click and go to the format menu. Click the find icon and drop down menu. Click the find or replace. Now select your or type your specific word and click the replace option and type your replace word. You can replace one by one or you can replace all word at once. Just click replace all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.